Hi everyone, it's Tom. This is something I'm really excited about that just arrived in the mail. So this is a big cooler and it's filled with ice cream from Double Rainbow Ice Cream in the Castro in San Francisco. And I'll be covering this for the Bold Italic. Covering this local ice cream store, Double Rainbow. Really excited to do my review and really excited to open this box. So let's go ahead and do it together. So you can tell this is for serious because it's got a warning label about dry ice and this lovely penguin on here. So they are not messing around with this ice cream shipment. I cut the packing tape here. Let's open it up. I see a bag of dry ice. I'm going to proceed carefully. Yep. Big thing of dry ice, and looks like we've got some ice cream in here. Awesome. I love the very vibrant packaging. They've been around for a long while, and it looks like the packaging is sort of reflective of that heritage. Got a bunch of different things to try out here. So let's go ahead and yank these out and see what we've got. So we've got soy cream, vanilla bean. Here we go. Here's the story. Starting in the 70s, two childhood friends opened their first ice cream parlor. Double Rainbow lights up the San Francisco sky. The 80s, they're voted the best ice cream in America. The 90s, the mayor of San Francisco proclaims Double Rainbow as the city's official ice cream. Pretty awesome. And then onward, a family-owned business and continuing and shipping ice cream to you, or at least to me, during the pandemic, which is awesome. They are open in the Castro too, so if you're living in the city, you can go and check them out. Yeah, here we have soy cream, so vanilla bean. This is a pint. Again, love that vibrant logo. Dairy-free, made with soy milk. Let's look at the ingredients on the back here. We got soy milk as the #1 ingredient there. That's great to see. Let's see what else we got. Okay, let's grab another one. So, ultra chocolate, not just chocolate, but ultra chocolate. Good. Not sure exactly what makes it ultra, but I'm looking forward to finding out. Cream is the #1 ingredient, so it's probably like a super premium ice cream we've got going on here. Ultra chocolate. I love the Golden Gate Bridge motif we've got in the background there, and just this label that makes me feel like this has been around for a long time. It's got that really cool kind of retro, vibrant, saturated color scheme. I love it. Let's see, what else have we got? So, ice cream. This one is just ice cream. Not sure what kind of ice cream it is yet. PB&J, yum. That's going to be really exciting. Not sure if it's peanut butter ice cream. Maybe there's some, I don't know, maybe some peanut butter swirled in it, or jelly. We'll find out. Let's let Jack inside. He seems to want to come and participate. And then our final one. Let's see what we got. Mango tangerine. Awesome. Non-dairy frozen dessert. So this is probably like a sorbet or a sherbet. Let's see if we have any kind of description there. We've still just got the story on there. It looks like we've got, water, mango, tangerine puree. So it seems like we're using real fruits here, which is awesome. And here we go. So Double Rainbow. Let's line these all up. Everything seems like it arrived super solid. I'll probably even just let these thaw a bit before trying them. But I'm really excited to give these a shot. So vanilla bean, soy cream, our ultra chocolate ice cream, PB&J, and then mango tangerine frozen non-dairy dessert, which we're just going to call sherbet. Check this out. It's going to be, my review will be in the bold italic. And I can't wait to try these and learn a bit more about the company and share a bit more about the company. Local, obviously very engaged with San Francisco, and I think this will be super exciting to try out. So stay tuned, and hope to share more about these really soon.